How to change password on YouTube on Samsung TV. Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to change your YouTube account password using your Samsung Smart TV so you can keep your account secure. Important notice. You cannot change your YouTube password directly through the YouTube app on Samsung TV. Password changes must be done through your Google account on a web browser or mobile device. Step 1. Open a browser on your phone or computer. Go to https://myaccount.google.com/security and sign in with your Google account linked to YouTube. Step 2. Find the password section. Under this signing in to Google section, click on password. Step 3. Verify your identity. Enter your current password to verify it's you. Step 4. Enter your new password. Type your new password twice and save the changes. Step 5. Sign out of YouTube on Samsung TV. Go to the YouTube app on your Samsung TV. Navigate to Settings, sign out to log out from the old password. Step 6. Sign back in on YouTube app. Open YouTube app again and sign in with your new password. Thanks for watching. If this helped you secure your YouTube account on Samsung TV, please like and subscribe for more smart TV tips and tutorials.